Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of this playlist in which we are making a 2D mini zombie game using gdevelop. In the previous video, I made a basic setup for the game, like I added a character, two zombies and a basic environment. And now let's see what we will be doing in this one. So the first thing that we will be doing is to give health variable to both character and zombie. And then we'll set up melee attack for the character and attack for the zombie. And then we'll set up death mechanism for both zombie as well as the character. By the way, you can also help me to name these characters. Just comment down the name you think that will fit this character. If the name really fits the character, I'll mention you in my next video and we'll use that name in the game. And now let's just get started with the video. So for giving health to the object, we just have to declare an object variable to the character. For that, double click to the character, go to variables, add a variable, give this the name health, change it to number and assign the value 100. Hit apply and now you have the health variable for this object, and I'll do same for these zombies also. And now for monitoring the health, we will add a text display UI. For that, add a new object, select this text UI, give it any name. I'm giving it character health, change the size to 40, change the initial text display to 0 and hit apply. And now we will use this to display the health of this character. And now I'll just quickly duplicate them for these zombies also. And now just add them to the scene. And now for displaying the health, we'll have to modify these text. For that, go to the event, add an action of modify text, select the character health and set it to the variable that we have given. For that, go to the objects, variable, value of an object variable, select the object adventure girl and give the variable health. Hit apply and now it should display the health of the character. And now as you can see, it is showing the health that we have given to the character. And now I'll do same for these two also. Let's see. And now all of these characters have the health. So as we have added health for the characters, now let's add attacking behavior for the characters. So for that, I'll just add a variable and name it attack. Change it to numbers and let it be 0. And we'll do same for these two. So now let's go to the events. And first of all, let me add this comment here to separate it from the moving code. And I'll name it attack of. First we are making attack for the zombies. So first of all, we'll add the condition to check if the zombie is in collision with the character. And then in the action, we'll give the value to the variable we just created. And now copy and paste this code for the condition where this zombie boy is not in collision with the character. And in this, change the variable to 0. And in the next event, add the same variable of zombie attack and set the value to 0. And in the action, set the animation of the zombie to idle, that is 0. And then copy and paste the whole event and change the value of variable to 1 and the animation to 2, which is the attacking animation of that zombie. And now we'll check if this animation is finished. For that, add a sub event and in the condition, set the animation of zombie to 2 and the condition to check if it is finished. And now in the action, add the health variable of the character and subtract it by, let's say, 20. And also copy this action and paste it here. And now let's see if it works. So as you can see, the zombie is continuously attacking the character, but it is not stopping even if the health is in negative. So to fix that, let's just add the condition here for when the health variable of the character will be greater than or equals to 20. So when the health of the character will be equals to 20, it will be the last time the zombie will attack the character. So as you can see, it is continuously attacking, but when the health is equals to 0, it is no more attacking. It is in his idle animation. And now let's just make this attacking behavior for the other zombie also. And now both of the zombies can attack, and here is the preview. And now let's add melee attack for the character. For that, just go to the object group, add a new object, let's name it zombies, and now add both of these zombies into the group and hit apply. Now go to the events, and in the character movement section add an empty event, and in the condition add if the mouse button is pressed or touch held, and select the left mouse button. And in the action, change the animation of the character to 4th, which is the melee animation of that character. And also we'll check if this animation is finished. And in the action, change the number of animation of that adventure girl to 0. And now let's make the attack. First, let's just add a comment here, and now add an empty event, and in the condition check if this character is in collision with the group that we have just created, because the group contains both of the zombies. And also copy paste this mouse condition and trigger it once. And in the action, subtract the health of this group zombies by 20. And now let's see if it works. So as you can see, when the player is in collision with the zombie, its value of the health decreases by 20. But let's just increase this value right here. Let's make it 50. I think that will be too much. Let's make it 35. 35 will be a nice amount of subtracting through a melee attack. And just add this condition where the health of zombie is lesser than or equal to 0, and set the value of health to 0, so it will not be negative anymore. It just stops at 0. Now let's quickly add death mechanism to them. For that, just make an empty event here and add the condition that if the value of health variable of the character is less than or equals to 0, then in the action we will deactivate the platformer behavior from the character. For that, select this action and let it be no. And also change the animation of the character to 3, which is the death animation of that character. and let's see if it works. So yes, when the health of the character is equals to 0, she can't really move and the death animation plays, but she still can flip. So for fixing this issue, just add a sub event in this condition and copy and paste this condition, and in the action move this flip horizontal action and change it to when the variable is greater than 0. So when the health of the character is more than 0, then only she can flip, otherwise she cannot. Now let's see if it works. So as you can see, she can flip normally, but when she dies, she is not moving in any way. So this is pretty much it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and save this playlist for more videos. And if you like this content, please like this video. Thanks for watching.